have reviewed every Mini GT, Liberty Walk GTR, starting from the very first release in blue, followed by the pair of Zero Fighter version in Ducktail and GT Wing, and also the matte version in grey and white body color. And today let's focus on the Hong Kong exclusive Liberty Walk GTR in Magic Bronze finish. It comes in the standard presentation case, and you may have noticed the factory crease line on the sleeve. But beware, because the sleeve is printed in foil finish, it's very soft. When I tried to remove the GTR from the presentation case, I tore the sleeve, so remember to handle with care when trying to remove the GTR from the case. When close up, the paint job looks superb. You can see that the body color changes from bronze to pink and vice versa. Mini GT claimed this version as the Magic Bronze GTR. I think it's closer to the chameleon effect where the body color changes, but otherwise the rest of the specs is similar to the rest of the GTR. Some collectors have feedback that although the rubber side mirror is smart, it doesn't make the casting looks premium than other makers, which I tend to agree. I guess it's best for Mini GT to replace their rubber side mirror for more premium version such as this Hong Kong edition. Otherwise, everything is beautifully crafted. This GTR in Magic Bronze finish really pairs well with the rest of the casting. It's also interesting to observe how the color changes in different angles, which truly make this casting unique than the rest of the GTR. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!